Our advocacy, walking away from overthinking, isn't about escaping it, but about learning to deal with it. Overthinking is something many of us struggle with. It's like a mental treadmill that never stops. To better understand this, we spoke with people who've gone through it themselves.
My name is Charlie H. Lumindi, BSBA, major in Financial Management, first year. As first year student, medyo malikayan nga mag-overthink ka kung unsa nga program or unsa nga journey ang gusto nimo nga sundan. So ako jud is yung student ko sa senior high, and then wala pa kay kuyahan kung magpunsa jud ko kay daghan mga field nga pwede nimo masundan pagka-college. And then akong family is gusto jud nila nga mabutang ko sa field nga business jud. But then nakakuan ko nga nag-overthink ko nga maunsa na lang man ko pagsulod na ako sa business nga sa UMS man ko, more on sciences man siya. So nag-overthink ko kung kaya ba na ako mosulod ana nga field, kung unsay mahitabo na ako kung nasulod na ko dira nga kuan.
What aspect of college life do you find most contribute to overthinking, and how do you manage them? So first is academic pressure, exams, deadlines, and projects na sunod-sunod. Uncertainty sa future, unsay mahitabo after graduation or maka-work ba daw gyapon ta. And lastly, social expectations, friends fitting in, and trying to balance social life with studies. Para nako makamanage ko ani by time management o pag-focus sa present task. Usahay mag-reflect ko, mga ko guidance through prayer or devotional para ma-release ang worries, and exercise and talking to trusted friends also help a lot.
Greetings everyone, I am Charity B. Calasa, first year AB Pol Sci student. So have you tried? Yes, I did. I think it started from a very young age. I really loved reading when I was a child, and it just so happened that I took a hold of this book titled Purpose-Driven Life, which was sort of religious. It preached about living a life according to the meaning of the Lord. So that was a meaningful life. And I really took that to heart. I was like, oh damn, I should live my life like this. But then as I grew older, I was so confused. How should I live my life meaningfully? Because in my cognition back then, a meaningless life was no different to death at that point. So I was like contemplating death too, so that was kind of bad. And then I guess it just like I developed existential crisis at that time.
So I am Alexander Adriatico, so I'm 18 years old and I am from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. So talking about overthinking, so such aspects like fear to failure and fear to falling behind, about the standards of the pressures of the different people around us. So about those, so it drives my emotions, it drives my courage to conquer those, especially when talking about boosting my grades, boosting my confidence in overcoming those instances.
By the help of my family, na-overcome siya na ako sa ilang mga advices, sa ilang mga good advices ra jud kanang like ila kong ingkan na kaya ra jud gikaya sa aming mga igsuon maskin same ra gyapon yung mga experiences na lahi jud nga field sa senior high pa lang, but then napunta sa lain pud nga field. So by that nakakuan ra pud nga okay ra di ay, and then pag abot na ko sa college, wala ra na ako pressure akong kaugalingon nga kung gikaya ay kung wala nila pudto na hikuan na nakaya sa una. So dili ra pud kung makaya ra jud. Kung wala nimo na experience, ayaw paghuna-huna nga sa sunod or sa next journey nimo dili po siya nimo ma-overcome kay kaya ra man di ay maskin wala kay experience kay kung mabuhat na nimo adisir naman ka maka-learn.
Importante kaayo na mo take tag breaks, especially karon nga finals is kaning fast approaching, so daghan kay mga projects can need ipasa before finals, so we need to take a break jud kay overthinking won't solve everything, pero rest and reflection can help bring clarity.
Ako lang ma-advise is just go with the flow lang jud. Kung naka-feel mo overthinking, unsa pa ka na mga over dira, just go with the flow dayon. Dili huna-hunaon nga unsay mahitabo sa future. Kung unsay naa karon, kung unsay mahitabo karon, ikuanan jud, buhata lang jud. Kung nakay problema, pangitaag solusyon, dili ka bitaw nga unsaon man ni mga inana nga mga butang bitaw. So just go with the flow. Kung unsay naa, maura ko imong buhat.
Talk to mentors or professionals nga maka-guide sa imuha sa imong career path. And fourth is trust the process. Dili tanan klaro karon, pero as you move forward, mas makita ara nimo ang direction.
So we all know that sometimes overthinking is inevitable. So we must always think and prioritize what is good for ourselves. So that includes how we think positively about ourselves, how we think to utilize those hard times, to utilize those stresses, to utilize those anxieties, to utilize those trials to make us to make us a more capable student to pursue our dreams, to pursue and to achieve our future, our good future through our dedication, through our hearts that is inspired to pursue for the betterment of our future. And that future will happen, that good future will happen if we're going to undergo such hardships and overcome it all.
Sa ito ara, kinahanglan maningkamot po sila, hindi na magpanalag sa tuwing kalisod. Yung tingkod maningkamot, sundot din kaayo. Yan, nakaagin po ang kalisod. Hindi na maningkamot. Hindi naging kalisod.
Their stories revealed a common thread. Overthinking often stems from fear of failure, judgment, or making the wrong choice. Despite these struggles, they shared their resilience. They didn't just escape overthinking, they learned to manage it. Some embraced mindfulness, focusing on the present instead of the what-ifs. These stories remind us that while overthinking is challenging, there is strength in finding ways to cope and move forward.